Two homes, same exact price, a little over $1 million, one in Camas, one in Ridgefield, same budget, completely different lifestyle, completely different long-term play. And one of these is the smarter move-up choice for most buyers in 2026, but it's not the one you'd assume from the YouTube videos. Today, I'm going to show you both homes, walk you through what your $1.5 million actually buys you in the city, and give you the honest call on which one wins, not the safer answer, the real one. I'm Shauna Carlos with eXp Realty. I've been helping move up buyers in Southwest Washington for over 15 years now, and the $1 million to $2 million entry luxury tier is what I specialize in. The Camas versus Ridgefield decision is the exact price point, the one I run with my clients almost every single week. If you want my live $1 million to $2 million comparison sheet for Southwest Washington, the same one I share with my clients to help them think through this exact decision, DM me the word compare on Instagram and I'll send the latest version. I update it weekly. Now let's get into it. Before we walk through the homes, I want you to understand why $1 million is a price point where this decision actually matters. Below $1 million in Southwest Washington, you're buying a quality move-up home, but you're still in the transition tier. Above $1 million, you're entering entry luxury, and the lifestyle, the home features, the floor plans, the lot premiums, all of that changes meaningfully. So when you have a $1 million budget and you're choosing between Camas and Ridgefield, you're not just choosing a city, you're choosing two completely different versions of the entry luxury lifestyle. One is established, prestige-driven, school-anchored. The other is newer, growth-driven, modern, finish-oriented. Both are real luxury. They're just different luxuries. And the right answer depends entirely on which version fits your family. Now let's start with Camas. Picture this home with me, a little over $1 million, 3,400 square feet, built in 2008, beautifully updated in 21, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, quarter-acre lot in a Prune Hill neighborhood, mature trees, partial Mount Hood view from the primary bedroom on a clear morning, hardwood floors throughout the main level, quartz counters, updated stainless appliances, a primary suite with a soaking tub, and an oversized walk-in shower. 3-car garage, that's a real composition of what $1 million is buying right now in Camas. And here's what you're paying for. Location, schools. You are in the Camas School District, which competes with the best private schools in the Portland Metro at zero tuition cost. You're walking distance or a 5-minute drive to the Hallmark movie downtown. You're 7 minutes from Camas Lake. You're 25 minutes from PDX, 30 minutes from downtown Portland, and the community fabric is established, prestigious, and tight-knit. What you're not getting at $1 million in Camas, the brand new build. Most $1 million Camas inventory right now is updated resales from 2000s through the mid-2010s, with newer construction starting around $1.3 million and up. You're also probably not getting a full Columbia River view. Those start around $1.5 million. And you're not getting a half-acre lot. Land in Camas proper is tight, and most $1 million lots are quarter-acre or smaller. The lifestyle when you live in this Camas home, your Saturday looks like a coffee on Main Street, a hike at Camas Lake, your kids walk to friends' house in the same neighborhood, and you know your neighbors. That's your trade you're making. Now let's drive 25 minutes north to Ridgefield. Same money, little over $1 million. Watch what changes. This home is 3,900 square feet, built in 2023, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3-acre lot in a master plan community with walking trails, a community park, and a clubhouse. Modern farmhouse architecture, luxury vinyl plank throughout the main level, and 10-foot ceilings, a kitchen with a 9-foot island and double oven, a primary suite that it genuinely feels like a hotel. Freestanding tub, curbless shower, dual vanity, and a closet with built-ins. 3-car garage with overhead storage, a flex room that could be a home office, a den, or a 5th bedroom. Smart home pre-wiring throughout. What you're paying for in Ridgefield at 1 million square footage, brand new construction, modern finishes, slightly larger lot, and the master plan community lifestyle. You're getting more house, newer house with the floor plan flexibility today's families actually want. Main floor flex spaces, multi-generational family layouts, 3-car garages, mudrooms designed for real life. And what you're giving up at 1 million in Ridgefield, the established prestige and walkability of Camas. Ridgefield's downtown is charming and growing, but it's not the same Hallmark movie experience yet. You're 5 to 10 minutes further from PDX in downtown Portland on the average. The school district is genuinely excellent and rising fast, but it's not the same household name reputation as Camas. The lifestyle when you live in this Ridgefield home, your Saturdays look like coffee in the master plan community clubhouse, a walk in the neighborhood trails, your kids ride bikes on cul-de-sacs designed for it, and you're in a community that feels purpose-built for modern family living. Quick check-in. If you've had $1 million budget right now, which city would you lean toward? Drop it in the comment, Camas or Ridgefield. I read every comment and I'll tell you exactly what I'd be looking for at your scenario. Now let's get into lifestyle differences that actually matter. Both homes are objectively beautiful at this price. Both are in genuinely strong school districts. Both give you the entry luxury experience. So what actually separates them when it's time to make the call? Walkability and downtown charm. Camas wins decisively. If you want to walk to coffee, walk to dinner, browse a downtown bookstore on a Saturday afternoon, that lifestyle exists in Camas, the way it doesn't yet in Ridgefield. That's a real lifestyle premium, and it doesn't have a substitute. New construction and modern finishes, Ridgefield wins decisively. At the 1 million price point, Ridgefield is putting brand new homes on the market with builder warranties, modern energy efficiency, and floor plans designed for how families actually live in 2026. That's a real value play, and it shows up in your comfort every single day. Schools, this one's closer than most people think. Camas is the established top estate district. Ridgefield is in the top tier and rising. Both deliver. The difference is reputation more than substance, and reputation does affect resale value. So if your move-up timeline is 7 to 10 years and resale matters, lean Camas. If you're planning to stay 15 to 20 years and the home's daily fit matters more, Ridgefield value gets very compelling. Community fabric, different flavors, both good. Camas has established neighborhood where everyone knows each other. Ridgefield has a master plan community feel where the neighbors are all moving in around the same time as you, and you grow into the community together. Different vibes, both genuinely positive. Pick the one that matches your family's social style. Now, the part most agents won't show you, the hidden costs that change the real picture between these two cities. HOA fees. Ridgefield's master plan communities almost come with HOA dues. Typical range right now is $50 to $150 a month, sometimes more for premium amenity communities. Over 10 years, that's $6,000 to $18,000. Camas has much lower HOA exposure. Most established neighborhoods don't have an HOA, and the ones that do are typically $30 to $60 a month. Renovation reality, a 1 million Camas home is probably updated, but if it wasn't in the last 2018, 2020, you might be looking at $30 to $60,000. Kitchen refresh in the next 5 to 7 years. A 1 million Ridgefield new build doesn't have that exposure for at least 10 years. So the upfront price is the same, but the next 7-year cost picture is different. Property tax, this is roughly equivalent at this price point. Camas effective rate is about 1%. Ridgefield is about 1.05% on a 1 million home. That's about $500 a year difference, not the deciding factor. Builder upgrades trap. This matters specifically in Ridgefield. The 1 million new construction is often the base price, and buyers add $50,000 to $150,000 in builder upgrades that aren't in the listing price, so make sure you're comparing apples to apples. The $1 million Ridgefield new build with all the upgrades you actually want might be really in the 1.15 million. Always run the upgrade math before you fall in love with the model home. All right, the question you came here for, which one wins? Here's how I tell my clients to make this decision. decision. There are 3 buyer profiles where this comparison gets clear. Profile 1, schools. First family with kids in K through 8 right now and a 7 to 10 year hold horizon. You want Camas. The school district reputation drives appreciation. The walkable downtown gives your kids the childhood you're picturing, and the resale will be strong when you're ready to move up again. The Camas premium pays itself back. Profile 2, move-up buyers prioritizing space, modern construction, and master plan community lifestyle. With a 15 to 20 plus year hold horizon, you want Ridgefield. You're getting more house, newer house, and the value math is genuinely better at this exact price point. By the time you're considering selling, Ridgefield will have grown into its prestige, and you'll capture significant appreciation from the growth trajectory. Profile 3, somewhere in the middle. Schools matter, but aren't everything you want. In some new, but you also like established. This is a case where I tell clients to tour both, walk both downtowns, drive both neighborhoods on a Saturday morning, and let your gut tell you which feels like home. There's no wrong answer here. There's only your answer. Real client story, I had a couple last fall, $1 million budget, kids ages 7 and 10. They were 95% sure they wanted Ridgefield because she'd seen the new construction on Instagram. We toured both. They ended up in Camas in a 2012 home that needed minor cosmetic updates because when they walked downtown on the Saturday afternoon, between showings and watched their kids excitedly point out the bookstore window, the decision made itself. Lifestyle won. That happens about half the time. The other half, the modern Ridgefield home wins for very legitimate reasons. Both are real answers. So that's the honest, no soundbite, head-to-head $1 million comparison between Camas and Ridgefield in 2026. 2 real homes, same money, 2 completely different lifestyles, and a clear framework for figuring out which one is right for your family. If you want my live $1 to $2 million comparison sheet, it has every active listing in this price range across both cities updated weekly. DM me compare on Instagram and I'll send it. And if you want to walk through your specific scenario with someone who runs this comparison every week, the consultation link's in the description. Drop a comment with which city you're leaning right towards now, and I read everyone and I'll give you my honest take based on what you share. If this helped, hit that subscribe. My next video is in the deep dive into living in Ridgefield, which is a perfect follow-up if you're leaning that direction. I'm Shauna. This is the work I love doing. See you in the next one.